Look at what I'm making. It's been raining. I haven't been able to work on the twink. Seriously. You little jerk. No! What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? I want you to stay right there, and I don't want you to move. I'm having troubles with my... Jeez. With my gimbal. Wow. Okay, I'm turning it off. I bought a gimbal, and I can't get it calibrated quite right. And it kind of has a mind of its own, and it just decides to flip on its own. So, but I wanted to show you this project that I'm doing. It's been raining. I have not been able to work on the Twinkie, so I decided to make a chandelier for the Twinkie. It's going to turn out really, really super pretty. Let me show you the one I made the other day. I ordered the crystals online because I don't like plastic beads. And it was a lot cheaper to order the crystals online by the bulk than to buy them at a craft shop. This is the other one I did. Let me get it out of this bag. It turns out really cool and contemporary looking. Here we go. Isn't that neat? So it took 20 of these beads. Each bead, this one was super easy to make because you just come off like this. So there you go. And that's going to be for a shallow light cover. And it's actually just like a fruit bowl that I got at the 99-cent store for $2. And I think the beads were like $12 for a bulk of them. And again, they're glass crystal beads. So that is nice. I found them on Amazon. So now I'm working on this one. And the beads come in a chain. So I'm working on this one, and the beads come in a chain, in a little baggie. The chain is like this. It has a hook on the end. It's really easy to take the beads off. So what I do, I'm doing 9 at a time. And down here, let me see, up here, I can't get them in a camera frame. Pull the camera back a little bit. There we go. So right here are some that I've already prepared. And you will get extras. You get little extra things. And I just stick them in this baggie for later use. And of course I usually have some left on another chain, but that's okay because I still need the silver rings off that chain. So there's 9. A set of 9 beads per strand. And what I do is I'm putting 4 on each side. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as I go along, if I have enough to put more on, I will. I also bought little pearls, bead pearls, of course, to use once I get these stranded on. But yeah, you just hook it. See that? You just hook that little silver ring over that, and then I flip it over and move the other ones out of the way. Don't want to put too many on one thing. And this basket's easy because it's chicken wire, so I can just take the section of the bead that opens right here and just push it over the chicken wire. Like so. Oops. Come on, come on. This chicken wire on this specific spot is twisted. There we go. And now we're on. So I will continue to work on this, and I will show you it when it's finished. It's beautiful. It's going to be beautiful. And I plan to hang this in my bathroom. Actually, I'm going to flush mount it to the ceiling. So that will look really nice. Let me do this a little bit. No, I'll get away. There we go. Now you can see it better. So I will flush that, mount that to the ceiling in my bathroom. It's going to be gorgeous. Okay, this is how far I've gotten so far. It's looking pretty good. I'm trying to make 8 more strands to finish off the beads. And right here, I have a pile of beads to try to string together. I don't know if I have enough. But really, it's not going to matter because nobody's going to come and count all these. So that is looking so good. The chandelier is almost finished. Oh, yeah, look what I did with my phone too. That's just a sticker. But isn't that pretty? I used some vintage beads on it, which are the pearls. And some other little leftover pieces of jewelry from my jewelry making that I got. I don't know if they're vintage or not. And hold on just a moment because somebody's coming in. Okay, I can't see it too well. Let me go around and see if we can see it better at another angle. Oh yeah. So there's the chandelier. I think it turned out quite beautiful. And I put the little, excuse me, red ornaments on it, decorative things, and then at the bottom I put a medallion on it. And what I plan to do is get some more teardrop crystals and drop them down, and then this project is finished. I'm thrilled with it. I think it turned out really super pretty. Let's go back and get it. There we go. You see how sparkly it is. That is so pretty. So that's what I'm doing these days when I cannot be working because of this weather. Catch y'all later. Have a good one. Hope you enjoyed this. Live the life you love. Bye-bye.